Hey guys, all right, I am so excited to be here today to share our favorite smoothie with you, which happens to be a green smoothie. Getting greens into your kids is no small feat. So I'm gonna show you exactly how we do it. It is super healthy, super simple, and when a smoothie is done right, it is the best way to start a day. Who's ready?
Me.
All right, let's do this. All right, so to make this, all you need to do is put all the ingredients into the blender and blend away. Super simple. Here's a quick list of everything you'll need. Max, you got this?
Yeah.
Can you put the banana in, please?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, got a cup of pineapple going in there. Thank you, buddy. Oh, missed two.
Oh.
Yep. All right, thank you. Who's got the mango?
Me.
Okay, got it. 1, 2, 3, dump. Yay, we did it.
Yeah.
Okay, we only need about half of that. It's just a splash, okay? So it's about a half a cup of mango juice. Oh, or more. Yeah, here, can you help me with this here, okay? That's the almond milk. You got this? Yay! That's a cup of almond milk. All right, and now we have, you wanna try doing this? Okay, this is the yogurt. Wrong place. No. There's about a 100% chance of making a mess here when you cook with your kids, just to be clear. All right, and then we have the avocado. Yeah, this is an adult job here. That's good stuff there. That makes it nice and creamy, hey?
Yeah.
Let's pack that kale in. Who's got this?
Me.
Okay, why don't you help, okay? Who likes kale?
Me.
All right. You do in a smoothie. Now that we have all of our ingredients in here, all you need to do is blend it up until smooth. All right, now that we're done, just pour it out and away you go. We have breakfast
Booty.
smoothie.
Booty.
Is that yours?
My booty.
What do you say?
Nice booty. Thank you.
Yeah. Now, if you have extra smoothie, you can freeze it into little muffin containers and freeze that into a resealable container for a very quick on-the-go smoothie. Or you can, if you really want to be a cool mom, you could freeze this into popsicle molds and look like an absolute rock star. The kids will think they're rebels for getting popsicles first thing in the morning, and you'll be getting some awesome nutrition into them. All right, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want more healthy eating inspiration and recipes and tips, head over to freshnutrition.com. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more, like, comment, and subscribe below.